This is my room where I record my YouTube videos. In fact, this room is my studying room, my private room, and also my studio to create content for my YouTube channel. See, there are many things like refrigerator and other things. That my mom put them in there. Let's say my equipments for YouTube. In fact, I don't have any money to buy many equipment. I have just this tripod, microphone, and this mobile phone that is recording right now. I believe that I can grow on YouTube if I have enough consistency and of course by supporting you, dear friends. So I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Navid. My last name is Fadler from Afghanistan. I'm a medical student at second class. I have done a lot of my efforts to accept in this specialty, and after 2 years hard studying after high school, I accepted in this faculty, and I started learning and studying almost 1 year, and I studied, and I finished one. And I finished one class almost 2 semesters, and I were not able to continue more because of some financial problems, and my father got sick, and now I'm really confused what to do. I'm really confused, but I know one thing, that is I should continue my lessons again because I love studying. You know, you're saying this books there, you know, this books about this books because of my studying. I hope I'll be able to continue more again and graduated from this faculty. I think it was 2019. I knew the YouTube, and I saw a big opportunity that can change my life. And also, I tried to seeking for many different topics because you know I think YouTube is one of the biggest university of the world that you can find anything you want, any lessons about everything, about everything. From the first, I was searching for many different topics like how to make money online, how to create a passive incomes, uh, and the learning and I learned so many different topics. But because of some bank bank system problems and the other problems, I was not able to continue more, and I disappointed from this, from making passive incomes and the online making money online. After that, in 2020 to 2023, I tried almost 2 to 3 months trading Bitcoin, and I failed also. Then then I decided to study hard, and I studied almost 2 years and passed the concours exam, and I've been accepted to the medical faculty. And the last year, I decided to make my personal brand. In 2025, I started again learning how to make passive incomes and how to make my personal brand that people know me on YouTube and other platforms. But also, I stuck again in the to scrolling in Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and other platforms, and almost on almost on almost 10 days ago, I deleted all my social medias without YouTube and started learning to make my personal brand again on YouTube and on YouTube. And finally, I started YouTube in 2026. And it doesn't matter how long it does take. I should continue, and I will continue to make my personal brand. If you like, subscribe, please.